Why? I don't get it.
Like legal.
Ooh, ew, that's my skin right there.
Yeah, it is.
Gross.
Or at least it was. It's kind of dead now.
You need to be better attention.
Yeah, mine's so much better though.
Holy fuck. Oh my god, I can't look at that right now.
No, just lay down and relax. Okay, you
Just
got it?
stop.
That's enough.
Okay. Like, look at that, just a bag of whatever.
Four?
Yes.
Is it third?
Oh wait, it is a
Four,
third.
three. Yeah. Let me just take a little picture.
For his own personal scrapbook.
For my own personal. No, I'm just gonna try to get rid of some of the scoop here,
Yeah. She put a lot on.
and that's okay.
Right.
You know, so typically about the thickness of a nickel kind of a thing.
Okay.
And then we put the non-stick pad over the top to keep it from just getting absorbed all into something that's
Right.
like this.
Yeah.
And can you handle that?
Yes.
So this should come around pretty quick. The key is your body's largely water, right?
Mm-hmm.
And because of that, the skin helps keep bacteria out and helps keep water in and keeps bugs out and all that kind of stuff. So what you're trying to do is maintain good moisture so your body can heal it. If you don't, this all kind of dries out and gets crusty, and then it hurts, and then it doesn't heal well, and then it cracks, and then
Right.
and that has to come off. So just relax and think about the good old days, and we'll just get rid of this. Are you okay?
Mm-hmm. Oh, that's okay.
So far, so good.
Mm-hmm.
How's the lighting?
Great.
It's all about the lighting.
Oh.
So you're at the Vine House,
Well,
right?
diversified.
Diversified. I mean,
Yeah. Same thing.
Good thing.
pretty much,
Overnights.
but different.
I like it. It's,
good,
they're fun guys.
good. Nobody's too radical and trying to take your lights
When
out.
I
and-
first started, it was pretty crazy. We had a paraplegic.
And he was in the wheelchair,
Oh yeah.
and he was giving you trouble, or
No, he was just.
I'm good. Yeah, it just hurts.
It was just gnarly changing a 50-year-old man's diaper.
yeah, it's a little crazy. We're gonna have enough film in the camera.
Plenty.
So we'll get most of this off, okay?
Yep.
So, how long were you in school before you were able to do what you're doing right now?
Well, you go to 7 years,
Holy cow.
but there are people that go a whole lot longer that do this, so.
So gnarly.
Because I've done this to myself.
Yeah. So it's,
I mean,
Oh,
you don't need a
really?
special degree to pop blisters, but
the wound itself, yeah, that's a different story.
you doing okay, my dear?
Yeah.
So are we back at work, or?
I have to work tonight.
Okay, so if you can get back into a regular shrew, you sure can. you know, this will go back into a regular shoe if we don't get it too bulky, you know.
Oh, but it hurts.
The key is, you know, is it lace up or is it slide in, whatever you can get into. Are you going to be able to work?
I don't know. Like, it's a
What
thing I don't
do you have
know.
to be doing anything special as far as pushing people up and down stairs, or?
No, I just mostly have to do like cleaning, and I have to go up and down the stairs hourly to check on 2 of my clients to make
Okay.
sure they're sleeping.
But you're not bodily hoisting people in and
No.
out of their beds or off the toilet or anything like that.
Oh, physical.
Nothing too physically strenuous.
No. I mean, they tell me I need a shovel, but I'm not going to shovel because I cannot do that.
Well, might be tough. So I'm just getting off some of this if you can handle it. Are you doing okay? Dear? Let's see. We'll get a little more off here, okay? Let me turn your foot this way just a little bit. How's the camera angle?
Oh, do you think, Doc? I'll work around you.
See if I can get some of this. So, Bethany runs Divine. Helgeson, is that who's Divine? Or Diversified, I mean?
Yes, that's her.
And then the nurse is Jonah.
Yeah.
Jonah Dahlman.
Yep.
Okay, we're getting close to done. I just want to see what's going on over here, okay? Can I do that? Okay, we'll stop. So I got most of that off of there, okay? So this will develop skin pretty quickly.